This podcast is going to be about learning target number 4 in Unit 2, nervous tissue. Remember, we do a whole unit on the nervous system, so this is going to be a very broad overview of nervous tissue. Okay, so if you're following along with your flashcards, you are looking for the flashcard that looks like this. If you remember from learning in freshman bio a little bit about neurons, this picture might look familiar to you. You have the cell body of that neuron, which is kind of like the main hub of the neuron. Then from there, you'll see different projections coming off of it, the dendrites, that might sound familiar. And then usually there's a long tail-like portion coming out of a neuron called the axon, which you might remember. This is just vocabulary. I'm curious if you still remember from freshman bio. And those axons can come in all different lengths. The longest one is your sciatic nerve, which runs down the length of your leg. So let's talk about nervous tissue. The job of nervous tissue in our body is to receive and conduct electrical impulses. So it sends message to and from places all over our body. Nervous tissue is special in the fact that it can send and receive signals. So it has two special features. We say irritability and conductivity, which again is just saying that it can send and receive its own messages. And nervous tissue is located in 3 places: neurons, all over your body, your brain, and your spinal cord. When you're looking at neurons under a microscope, it looks like that image that you see at the bottom there, almost like little spiders. Those are the neurons of the body. Thank you for watching this podcast on nervous tissue. Now would be a great time to go review these few terms we just learned in Quizlet.